Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Mr. Tassim. Here we come again with the latest design of all kind of gold jewelry. In this video we will share with you necklace, earrings, rings, gold chain, all type of gold articles just for you. The very unique and beautiful articles we will share you in this video. Hope you like the video. Please must watch the video till end. It's a platform where you will watch every kind of gold articles, beautiful and unique design. You can wear in every kind of event like wedding anniversary, your wedding, and every precious moment. You can wear it and look different all among them. Hope you like the video. If you really like this video, so please must subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.